Alright, this is Ben from GreenKeys Locksmith, and my shop can be a little difficult to find the first time, so here's a video on how to get there. I just turned on to Enterprise Court from Enterprise Drive, and we're going to cruise on down to the end of the court here. There's a cabinet shop on the right, there's an engine shop on the left, and we're going to go down to the end of the court to the left. There's my building, 37580 Enterprise Court. We're going to go around the side of the building on the right. And we're going to go around the back of the building. And there's my van on the right, and the green door on the left is my shop. See you soon.